Good afternoon, AP Seminar. So I will get right to the point. First, I'm going to review yesterday's work. You're due now, and then I'll tell you what to do for the day. Okay? So on Monday, again, remember we chose our topics, and that's great. And I left some stickers on your topic cards, and I want to quickly explain what those stickers mean. So if you have pink, that means you're good to go. All right, a pink sticker means you're heading in the right direction. It is not perfect. We will do more about that on Friday, but we're good to go. If you only have an orange sticker, that means there is some work to do. It's most likely because it's too broad. Specifically, a student said gender inequality. Their topic is gender inequality. That is too broad. You can't possibly just write a paper on gender inequality. What about gender inequality? Gender inequality and students, gender inequality and recess, gender inequality in the environment. I don't know, but it absolutely has to be something more narrow. And it again, something we can keep doing on Friday, but definitely should be thinking about that and narrowing it down. If you have pink and orange, you're okay. All right. It's clear you understand that there's what a research topic is. What you wrote is definitely a topic that could be researched. However, there is this trend out there with a few people where what you wrote on that card is almost exactly like one of the sources. And that's what we don't want to do. And so I'll give an example. If you wrote that you are interested in students, male students struggling in high school, all right, or the gender gap in people going to college. Well, that's pretty much exactly what Richard Reeves wrote in his chapter that we read. That's his argument, and so we don't want to just retread what he's doing. We want to think about themes that connect multiple sources, and then we can be inspired and go in really interesting directions from there. And so we again can kind of flesh it out on Friday when I'm back, but that's just to explain that. All right, so moving right along to our thing today. Our job today is preliminary research. And before I get to that, yesterday's work was to reflect on on Tuesday's work was to reflect on your topic a little bit. 5 simple prompts that could be answered in like a sentence or two. So only 4 students got it done and submitted it. And so I really do want that done as well. It shows me that you're actively thinking about your topic, and it is a requirement. So I need you to do that. If you are confused about how to do that, please send me an email and I will clarify. But I think it's self-explanatory. Don't overthink it, just do it. All right, for today's work, we are going to do an important step called preliminary research. This is something you want to do once you've got a topic, but before you've gone too far down the road. All right, it allows us to maybe switch up our ideas or change our mind. And so we're going to do this today and tomorrow. Preliminary research does not involve finding scholarly sources, and it doesn't involve going on Google Scholar or any of those crazy things. It just means to go online and see what information is out there. Are people writing about your idea? Are people writing about your topic? And so, is there a website out there? Is there a Wikipedia page out there? Is there a news article, an opinion piece, an organization that's dealing with your topic, right? So, you're just going and finding what's out there. If you find nothing, that could be a big red flag, and that you're going to have too many struggles, and it's just not maybe a good topic to do. And along the way of doing preliminary research, you want to learn some things, learn what's out there, learn a fact, learn some key information, and that's what you're going to do today. You're going to go out and find one source, just one, using Google, using some search terms, and your goal is to find some new information from your source. Maybe it's information you already knew, but background information. You're going to take a look and see if there's any problems out there or tensions or disagreements. Could be all of those things. Could be just one. Like what's going on with your topic? What's a problem out there? And then this is an important one. What do you want to understand more about? If you keep doing this research, what are some questions you would like to have answered? And so yeah, that is all on Canvas. The final thing I'm going to say is quite simply, if you are struggling with preliminary research, that is normal, and I will have included a video of me going through this process. So if you are struggling with this, I want you to watch that video. it was going to be me doing this exact same thing. All right, so that's it for now, and I will see you later.